Product attributes are paramount to being able to get your catalog set up properly. If you go to e-commerce and product attributes, it brings you to the product attribute page. Essentially every single product attribute has to have an answer of some sort. They're given defaults, but in order to make sure that your product's functioning how you would like, you're going to need to go to every single product attribute in this list. Since the catalog is looking to these fields, you're going to need to make sure that it's answering those properly for the way that you do things. Let's go into accessories and inserts, for example, to begin. At the beginning of accessories and inserts, you'll see the display name and the formula name. This is what the formulas are referencing, so you can always come back and analyze what it's looking to. The formulas will look to accessories inserts dot something, and that will be one of these column names. So that's how you can tell which formula name is being used. It is always looking to a product attribute column typically. So format settings, this is for your order page width. That's how many characters wide it's going to be. On your output pages, also same thing. How many characters wide it's going to be. Your padding and text alignment. Typically you won't need to worry about these, but you can change the text alignment. This is where the text is going to line up in that product attribute. Now, one of the most important functions of a product attribute is order page visibility. Are you going to see it on the order page or not? Either way, it will still look to the values. So if it's hidden, it's going to use a default value of some sort, and that's all it's going to use because there's no availability to choose from it. However, if it is showing on the order page, then you will you'll be able to see that. Now, we'll go over edit overrides. So say there's an example where you want to have it showing on one product and not on another. You can also do that. This will just be the default order page visibility, whether you're able to see it across all products as a default or not. And then as you come down into the selector settings, this is where you directly associate with supplies, would make the supplies available. You can see that if I toggle that off, they disappear. So if you want to automatically allocate a trash can, for example, then it will ask you the supply location and the specific item. So is it a preset? This will determine whether or not it shows up as a preset on the order page, so that you can select it and it will show up consistently as a preset. Import options from file. This allows you to choose a file and a spreadsheet so that you can do a mass import. Now say you want to take the current file and export it. If you click on export current file and open it up in Excel, in my case I'm using numbers, and then you want to import data into this and bring it back in, that would be just fine. However, be very sensitive to this ID. If you bring in anything, make sure you delete that number so that you don't override any values that are currently there. Then you would save that file as a CSV and be able to import it back in. Output pages. This shows which output pages this product attribute is going to show up on. And this is a help info editor for you to be able to add any help info that you would like. We'll go into more detail on each one of these specific product attributes in one of the next videos.